Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to give an answer to one of the questions I've just been asked recently. The question is it better to hold cryptocurrency, any coin, or to hold NFT? So in this video, I'm going to give you reasons why it is better to either hold cryptocurrency or hold NFT. So if you are new to my channel, in this channel I discuss more about Binance NFT, how to make smart trades and make profit, and how to make money online. So if you're interested in topics like this, a like and a sub to the channel is going to be fantastic. First of all, I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers. I really appreciate your support, your likes, your comments. Any question you have, please drop them down in the comment section. I really appreciate them. If I'm able to give an answer to them, I'm going to give an answer to it and tag you to that answer. If not, I'll make my research and make a video that's going to give an answer to that question. So without wasting time, what is best to hold? Is it better to hold a cryptocurrency, or is it better to hold an NFT? I want you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's go into the video. First, which will I prefer? I personally, although I trade, I buy and sell NFT, the most important for me is holding a cryptocurrency. The reason is I can sell them anytime I want. Note, I can sell them anytime I want. So if I'm in need of cash and I'm holding a cryptocurrency, for example, I can sell them instantly using Binance or any exchange that you're using, and in less than 5 minutes or 10 minutes I'm going to get my money credited to my account. So that is one of the biggest benefit of holding a cryptocurrency. You have the option of getting your money back as soon as you want it. It's a little bit difficult if you are holding NFTs, because before I will sell them, I have to advertise them, which is costly, and I also hope that whoever is buying it will have to buy it at the right price, so that I'm going to be able to make money off of it. So the 1 point goes to holding cryptocurrency. I suggest you hold cryptocurrency. Number 2, the second reason why I will always go for holding cryptocurrency is because the more that cryptocurrency becomes popular, the more people know about that cryptocurrency, and many people get into the market, the more valuable that cryptocurrency is going to have or is going to become. So if a cryptocurrency is worth $1 today, the more people who come into it and invest in it will make the value of that cryptocurrency increase, which will make it worth even higher in future. But what about NFT? NFT is slow. It doesn't increase in value except somebody else has purchased it. So take for example, there is an NFT here that is worth about 13 BUSD. The only way this NFT can increase its value is if somebody buys it more than 13 USD. So if, for example, I bought this BUSD at this NFT at 13.50 BUSD, I have to sell it at a higher price so that I'm able to make profit, and it's going to be able to cover all my fees. So the price is dependent on me and me alone. But if you hold a coin or a cryptocurrency, the more people that get into the system or that cryptocurrency, the more popular it becomes, the price will increase on its own. So that's my second reason. My third reason is that I can make one-on-one transaction. So I don't really need to wait for Binance to sell my cryptocurrency. I can just ask a friend, do you need this amount of cryptocurrency? If he says yes, I can immediately send it to him and receive my money in cash. So it is easier to sell, whether you are using Binance or if you want to do it offline. It is much easier to sell. So those are just my reasons why I prefer you hold cryptocurrency than holding NFT. This does not mean NFT are bad. NFT is crazy. We have seen some NFTs sold for millions of dollars, thousands of dollars. But you need to ask yourself, what are the reasons why it is being sold that much? You need to find out the reason why it is being sold that much. Because If it depends on luck, that means the chances for you to sell your own at that price is even lesser. So since it is difficult to sell NFT, I've made a video about how difficult it is to sell an NFT, because one, it's expensive to get into the Binance network, and as soon as you get into the Binance network, the fees and the time you wait before you sell just one is discouraging. So during that period, you can even make a lot of profit through holding a cryptocurrency. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use a Binance trading bot to make money online. So if you're interested in a topic like that, I want you to like and sub to the channel